Hello, esteemed dignitaries, faculty, staff, and students at the UAF campus. My name is Christopher Brock, and it's my privilege to be with you virtually today. I want to talk to us about the dawn of AI document generation. I want to share some insights into this revolutionary field that is reshaping our world. Generative artificial intelligence, specifically in the realm of document generation, is fully impacting the way we as people communicate in every industry, in every field, in every business, and in our daily life. As an American entrepreneur, I'm deeply invested in the digital landscape. I've had the unique opportunity to witness and contribute to the evolution of AI through my company, Primary Hosting, and the vibrant community of over 250,000 members in our Facebook group, ChatGPT for Business and Life. I know we will not be able to cover all of your questions, concerns in this presentation, but feel free to join us at ChatGPT for Business and Life by scanning the QR code, and we'd be happy to further your conversation and your suggestions there. In this era, we stand at the cusp of a technological revolution. Just in the past year, the field of generative AI has made leaps and bounds, transforming how we approach and handle document generation, a fundamental aspect of both business and personal communication. Today, I'm excited to take you on a journey through this evolving landscape. We'll explore the growth of AI models like ChatGPT and Claude and Gemini and Bard and other groundbreaking open source models like Llama models and Falcon. Each of these innovations is reshaping the way we think about and interact with written content via AI. So let us embark on this exploration of AI, understanding its impact, its potential, and how it's redefining the boundaries of document generation. Imagine a future where AI is not just a tool for efficiency, but a creative partner elevating human potential. A future where technology and human ingenuity converge to overcome barriers in communication and understanding. That future is closer than we think. We stand at the cusp of an AI revolution that will fundamentally transform how we create, collaborate, and connect through documents and speech. AI has taken a quantum leap in capability, sophistication, applicability, and especially in the realm of natural language processing. We now have AI models that not only understand what we're inputting, but they generate new content based upon our prompts. We cannot afford to be passive observers in this rapid evolution of AI. The coming decade will determine whether we harness these technologies to enrich connections or allow misuse to undermine our trust. Our shared future depends on asking the right questions today, and how can AI help us communicate more clearly and authentically? How can we embed ethics and oversight in its growth? To navigate this landscape, we must first understand the origins and trajectory of AI's transformation in document generation. What sparked this revolution? How far can pioneering models like Claude and ChatGPT and others bring us? What challenges still remain? Let's explore these questions as we embrace the promise of this new era of possibility. The AI models we see today stand on the shoulders of innovation. Breakthroughs in machine learning over decades have led us here to the cusp of multimodal artificial intelligence. Understanding this trajectory helps us appreciate how we arrived at this point and where we still need to grow. In the late 1950s, artificial intelligence was termed at Dartmouth, and the foundation for neural networks and deep learning began. By the 1990s, innovations like long short term memory cells overcame challenges in context and memory. And into the late 2010s, the flourishing of big data and compute power gave rise to large language models and the transformer architecture. These crucial milestones culminated in contemporary models like Claude, ChatGPT, and others that display a nuanced mastery of language. They not only generate coherent text, but also adapt to new contexts and information. This ability has brought AI into the mainstream and in specific use cases for document creation and communication. However impressive, today's AI still grapples with fundamental human abilities, discerning truth, reasoning about ethics, even recognizing the boundaries of its own knowledge. As we integrate these models into business and society, we must address their limitations through oversight and a focus on continuous progress. The future holds exponentially greater potential, but also greater responsibility. If we want AI to enrich how we communicate ideas, we must guide its growth, not with fear or blind optimism, but with ethical courage and purposeful craftsmanship. Our shared journey continues. Let's now dive into the world of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the AI leader for foundational large language models. It is also the AI of choice for Microsoft and its Copilot platform. And we will absolutely see it through Office 365 products, including Word and Excel. It has natural language generation. With its pro version, it can now analyze data, do website analysis. You can upload documents, PDFs, and images. So it has a versatility and applications that we just have not seen. It has enhanced coding efficacy, and it's very efficient at creating code that can be utilized. The fact that it has broad language support only increases its utility globally. ChatGPT excels in understanding and generating human like text. This ability makes it an exceptional tool for creating documents that require a conversational tone or personal touch. Whether it's a customer service script, personalized emails, research papers, legal documents, or interactive content, ChatGPT brings a level of finesse and relatability that is hard to match. As we integrate AI like ChatGPT into our document generation processes, we're not just streamlining our work, we're also enriching the way we connect and communicate with our audience, bringing a depth of understanding and engagement that was previously challenging to achieve, specifically in language in countries where it is your second language. Next, we'll explore the innovative approaches of other AI models like Claude. Claude is an invaluable asset in environments where teamwork and joint decision making are crucial. It is a great AI that is a free large language model, a foundational model, conversational engagement and coherence. It was designed to be responsible and reliable AI and is built by many of the founders and core team of OpenAI who once left OpenAI started Claude. Their claim to fame came this year when they were the first AI model to freely enable people to easily train their prompts with text documents, spreadsheets, and PDFs. It's lacking the ability to do web searches, but now does have an API. And for contextual understanding and responsiveness, Claude achieves many high marks. As we navigate an increasingly interconnected world, the ability of AI like Claude to enhance collaboration points us toward a future where technology and human input converge seamlessly, creating outputs that are greater than the sum of their parts. Now let's turn our attention to a few other remarkable AI models that are pushing the boundaries in the realm of document generation. Gemini and Bard. Each of these models bring a unique set of innovations and capabilities to the table. First, Gemini stands out with its ability to handle complex, nuanced tasks. It's not just about generating text, it's about understanding and interpreting intricate concepts, making it ideal for specialized documents in fields like law or medicine or science. We, of course, are only using the research documents and cards provided to us by Gemini, as it was just recently released, which makes this year of AI even more intriguing, but also the more difficult to keep up with. when AI models continue to move forward. One thing we will see with Gemini, it will be the competitor to Microsoft Copilot, and it will be built into the Google Workspace. So if you are using Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Drive, a solution like Gemini will be what you utilize quite often. And thus far, we've had our interaction with Gemini via Bard and what Google has provided to us. Moving to Bard, this model excels in its adaptability and learning capabilities. It's designed to continuously learn from its interactions, making it increasingly efficient in producing relevant and up to date content. Bard's evolving nature makes it a powerful tool for industries that require keeping pace with the latest trends and information. As we continue to explore the capabilities of these AI models, we're not only witnessing the evolution of technology, but also participating in a revolution in communication and information management. Having explored these innovative AI models, let's now delve into the open source realm with models like Llama and Falcon and see how they are democratizing AI in document generation. Llama, with its open source framework, offers a platform for customization and innovation. Its flexibility allows developers and businesses to tailor the AI to their specific needs. From generating technical documents to crafting creative content, Llama's adaptability makes it a valuable tool for a wide range of applications. Next, we have Falcon. It stands out for its efficiency and scalability. Designed to handle large scale document generation tasks seamlessly, Falcon could be a go to solution for organizations looking to integrate open source AI into their bulk content creation processes. Its ability to maintain consistency and quality at scale is particularly impressive. Obviously, open source means everyone can utilize this software if we have the compute power to host and manage it. That customization, flexibility, and ownership cannot be understated, as it is the true democratic open source ethos, that ethos of transparency and trust, of education and research value, that the ethical AI development that we have the most say in will be on this open source side. So I highly recommend looking into open source solutions when it comes to AI models. And as the price for hosting models decreases, the availability of open source AI models is sure to increase. As we embrace open source AI models, we're not just adopting new technologies, we're joining a global movement that values accessibility, innovation, and collective growth in the AI domain. Having explored a range of AI models and their unique contributions, let's next discuss the advantages these technologies bring to the art and efficiency of document writing. As we have seen, the landscape of AI and document generation is rich and diverse. Now let's delve into the tangible benefits these AI technologies bring to the table in the realm of document writing and the impact they're going to make in the future of AI. AI is a creative partner that should enhance our human potential. The convergence of technology and human ingenuity together, working with a human in the loop, will change the impact of document writing for years to come. AI significantly enhances our efficiency. With the ability to generate high quality content quickly, AI models like the ones we've discussed can drastically reduce the time spent on document creation. This efficiency is invaluable in the fast paced business environments where time is a critical resource. The quantum leap of AI was the development of natural language processing. The accuracy and consistency that AI now offers is almost unmatched. Whether it's maintaining a specific tone, style, or adhering to technical requirements, AI models ensure that the output is not only error free, but also aligns with the desired standards, which is crucial in professional settings. Its advancements in understanding and generating contextual language is really superb. And if you are able to use the RAG method or a prompt structuring method that generates more context to train the AI model on, you will get generative content outside of the model that is very close to your desired result. The implications for document creation and communication cannot be understated. AI adds an unlocking creative potential. By handling routine aspects of writing, AI allows individuals and teams to focus on more creative and strategic elements of their work. This collaboration between human creativity and AI's capabilities can lead to more innovative and engaging content. AI offers scalability in document writing. Whether you're working on a single document or managing a large volume of content, AI models can adapt to varying scales, making them suitable for both small businesses and large enterprises, the student and the research university, the government, the citizenry, and all peoples of the world. The integration of AI in document writing is not just about automating tasks, it's about augmenting our capabilities, allowing us to achieve more with less, and opening doors to new possibilities in how we create, communicate, and convey information. Having understood the advantages of AI in document writing and that quantum leap it took with natural language processing, it's crucial to address the ethical considerations and limitations of these technologies, which we'll explore now. As we embrace the remarkable capabilities of AI in document generation, it's essential to also address the ethical considerations and limitations inherent in these technologies. One of the foremost concerns is the risk of perpetuating biases. AI models are not only as unbiased as the data they're trained on, therefore, it's crucial to ensure that training data is diverse and representative to avoid reinforcing stereotypes or biases in the generated content. Another critical aspect is data privacy and security. As we feed sensitive information into AI models for document creation, safeguarding this data against breaches and unauthorized access is paramount. This requires stringent data protection measures and ethical handling practices. Moreover, the importance of human oversight cannot be understated. While AI generates content efficiently, the nuanced understanding and judgment of a human editor are essential to refine, check, and contextualize AI generated content, ensuring its relevance and appropriateness. It's also important to acknowledge the limitations of current AI technologies. While AI has made significant strides, it's not infallible. Issues like understanding context deeply, handling complex creative tasks, hallucinations, and recognizing subtle nuances still pose challenges. Incorporating AI into our document generation processes offers immense benefits, but it also demands responsibility and awareness. By addressing these ethical concerns and limitations, we can harness the power of AI responsibly and effectively, ensuring that it serves as a tool for positive advancement rather than a source of inadvertent harm. With these considerations in mind, let's next explore how we can engage in a global conversation. As we stand on the brink of AI's current capabilities, it's exhilarating to ponder what the future holds. In the realm of document generation and speech writing, the potential for AI is boundless. Imagine AI models that not only understand and generate text, but also intuitively grasp the nuances of human emotion, context, language, and cultural intricacies. The future may hold AI tools that collaborate with humans in real time, offering creative suggestions, refining arguments, and even predicting audience reactions. Such advancements could revolutionize industries from education to law, enhancing both efficiency and creativity. The key lies in balancing the technological prowess of AI with the irreplaceable insights and ethics of human input. As we continue to innovate and refine these technologies, we're not just shaping the future of document generation, we're redefining the very nature of communication and collaboration. Engaging in the digital economy is important for all nations, and global communication is what will be that connecting factor. AI now makes communication in any language easier and more efficient. This bridges communication gaps. This will have global impact, not only on each of us, but on document generation and content generation globally. So, this great leveling event that is AI is now for everyone, and we now are equipped with tools, knowledge, and words to compete at a global scale and communicate in ways we never thought possible. Practical applications of document creation are obviously what we should look into. ChatGPT is driven by prompts. By becoming a good prompt engineer, you're going to be able to create better documentation. I recommend when you create a prompt to give it context. You give it context of perspective. I want to write this document as an expert in biology and anatomy, or I am an expert marketing agent. I am this is very important. That provides a little bit of context to the prompt of the perspective in which you hope the AI will follow in its writing. Second, you want to be as info driven as possible when you create your prompts. So ensure that you provide ample information about your context. You can now do this not only in the prompt area, but by uploading Word documents and other PDFs, files, and other things into the AI to better understand your goals with the prompt. Give it a goal, give it a very strong sense of the output that you want. Earlier this year, I was able to use both ChatGPT and Claude to fight a zoning citation that I was given for building an accessory structure on my property. I'm the first person in the United States that, without a lawyer, was able to prompt the AI to create very detailed and in depth and multiple filings that were utilized in my court hearings. Being pro se, I was the first to win. And as you can see, a tri state man relies on artificial intelligence to help dismiss his court case. And that was effective. I may be the first, but I was not the last. So I do foresee a big movement in utilizing AIs for legal document generation, research work documentation. Any field studies that you're doing can be bettered. Even nonfiction and fiction writings will be impacted by AI. I believe the future of AI will follow from AI workflow engines. I happen to work closely with Scripted.app. Scripted is designed to create AI workflows that are complex workflows that but are mundane tasks that you do often. Scripted is an AI platform that allows you to use the generative AI power when needed to templatize documentation that some cannot be random, where documents using only the AI could be randomized. Scripted helps bridge that gap and ensures that your application is developed in a way where the randomness is minimized and the outcomes driven approach of document presentation is preserved. So, a glimpse of AI's impact. The rapid advancing pace of AI technology has been truly astonishing. Staying on top of all of the developments is a challenge. It's important to remember that AI is a companion tool, not a replacement for human capabilities. You are still the writer. Do not let it replace you. Utilize and leverage it. If you're not accustomed to using AI, just try to get access to an AI that you can leverage. Bing has a free usage. So does Bard. ChatGPT and Claude have free offerings as well. Sign up and just use it. I recommend using it in your family life before you try to use it in your work life. See if it can write a poem or write a novel or recap a story or give you a breakdown of something that you may not know a lot about or teach you something or maybe have an in-depth conversation with you on a certain subject or context. Utilize it first. Do not fear it. That fear that you see is this false evidence appearing real. There's no Terminator. This is AI documentation creation. So utilize it and leverage it effectively to ensure that you maintain a competitive edge. No one's going to be replaced by AI. They're going to be replaced by people that are using AI. And my hope is that you leverage AI and very quickly start creating documentation 3 times better than you were able to a couple months ago. And the more advanced you get, maybe you get up to 5 or 10 times more efficient. And from the numbers that I've seen, you can be 50 to 1,000 times more efficient by leveraging AI's capabilities. So enhance the quality of your work by leveraging AI. That's the bottom line, is that AI is here. And if you are in document writing of any sort, you're fully impacted by AI. So figure out how to leverage it today, and your tomorrows will be more productive. And with that, I'll turn it over to the audience MC and hopefully can take any questions thereafter via Zoom. Feel free to connect with me on ChatGPT for Business and Life over on Facebook. And thank you so much, everyone, for your time.